This is the Woodford 34HA-CH or Chrome, a vacuum breaker. This does work for the models 20, 25, and 65. So with the vacuum breaker, it should come with this rubber O-ring down here at the start of these threads. We can go ahead and take a couple measurements. We'll get a total length. We can see the total length ends right above 1.5 inches, so right above 1.5 inches there. Then we'll get an outer diameter of each side. This side it measures right at 1 inch. And on this end we'll do an inner and an outer diameter. And the outer diameter measures right at about 1 inch as well, with an inner diameter of right at 1/2 inch. So once again, this is the Woodford 34HA Chrome Vacuum Breaker.